So as you can see here, we finished our necklace with our collar. We need to add these jump ring and locker and chain to it so we can wear it. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna go like around the last one. This one we did it on the last after we finish the last row. You can skip this one and do the other one, but for me I'm gonna secure everything even more. So I'm having like a small piece of fish line attached to my needles, and I actually have one needle in here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through this. I'm gonna go in a full circle, having my 4 beads or 4 pearls all together, as you can see. Okay, and I'm gonna repeat it. You can do it once, but I'm gonna do it twice here, just to make sure it's very strong so it can hold the weight of the necklace, because this necklace or this collar is kind of heavy. This pearl is heavy and we need to make it like very strong. As you can see, making sure everything is secure and beautiful. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make a couple of knots, and then I'm gonna secure it with the lighter as we did before. And I'm gonna repeat the same thing to the other side as well to make it stronger. Okay, and that's what we're gonna do.